Oh, oh my God. Another amazing Olympic. And I went, ah. Right, let's get back into this. This is my first video back from my Florida holiday, so might be a bit rusty. Never mind, I haven't done one of these for about 2-3 weeks. Okay, so we've got a couple of bags here. We've got 21st to the 3rd on both. This one's 3:44 in the afternoon, and this one's 3:51 in the afternoon. So we'll go with the earlier dated bag. So we'll get rid of this one for now, and we'll do this one today. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, so just push the bags to the back there. We'll zoom in a little bit, and then first bag. Now, we have got pre-tears. Fantastic. Oh, that feels good. That feels amazing. Now, we have got a mix of Shields and Britannias, I can see. 2019 Shield to start, and the first coin I drop. So, Shields, especially 2019s, we're not interested in. The year's 2017 is a low mintage year, so I'm sort of kind of interested in that one, but I've got a lot of those, so I probably will just throw it back to the wild. The years we're really interested in are 2009, 10 and 11, 16 and 18, because they're all NIFC years, not intended for circulation. I am hunting for my first 2020 Shield, and obviously we're looking for 21 and 22 Shields as well. So yay, we're doing them. Britannias, not so worried about. That's the Britannia there. I'm looking for the year 2008 because that is a low mintage year. Everything else, not worried about at all. And I should be checking the Shields periodically. I should check every Shield, of course, I know that, but I just I'm looking for these NIFCs, but it's just the most boring thing in the world, checking every coin. I know you're screaming at me. There we go, 50p, of course it's 50p. That is Roger Bannister, Roger the Dodger. There we go, cool coin. Tells a great story, that one, doesn't it? Triumphant story. Grab another bag and we'll crack on. Okay, so the only one I found in that bag was a 2017 Tom Kitten Beatrix Potter. All the 17s are quite common, so he's cool to find, but not really what I'm after. The 2018s are the best Potters. Unless you find a 2016 Puddle Duck, that would be pretty cool. But 2018s generally are much better finds. That's a very shiny Shield. 19, oh well. Wow, okay, so we've had about 4 bus bags in a row. Finally found a Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle. So, yeah, not a great start to the hunt, but never mind. We got a 2016 Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle. Right, another bag. Where's that tag? There it is. Oh, let's see, a Brexit. Whoopie-doo. Where's that Brexit? Get that out of the way. There we go, Brexit. There was a time when I was amazed to find that. now the most amazing coin that we can find, well, apart from an Olympic or anything like that, the most amazing coin that, what am I trying to say? The Platinum Jubilee now, we don't want to find another one of those. Obviously, there's some amazing coins out there to find, but they're more common or the newest coin, that's what I'm trying to say, the newest coin that I'm excited to find is the Platinum Jubilee. Oh. Oh, what about a Victoria Cross Heroic Act? That's cool. I'm happy to find that. Oh yes, superb, very nice. One of my favourites, Olympics, and that is volleyball. I always like to call it beach volleyball, but volleyball, superb. That's cool. I like tennis as well. I like the ones with nets in it. I don't know what my favourite ones with nets. And then underneath that, not quite so spectacular, but a pretty good, not quite so and underneath that, not quite so spectacular, but a pretty good find is the Battle of Hastings. Nice one. Oh yeah, that's shook me up a little bit. I liking that. That's many bust bags. Many. Oh, and we got a Benjamin Bunny as well in that same bag. Well, not quite as exciting, but oh, we got another one. We got a Girl Guides. They're all coming at once in this one bag. It's bizarre, isn't it? You have so many bust bags, nothing in them, and then you get a load of good finds in one bag. It's like they sort of magnetise to each other or something. Because at the coin centres, they just go into a big hopper, don't they? And then just get, you know, get counted and put into bags. So they're completely randomly mixed up. But it is bizarre when that happens. I'd love to go there actually. If anybody knows anything about Camberley Coin Centre, if they do tours, that'd be amazing. That'd be pretty good. Just finish this bag. And then we go. The Coin I Love to Hate Dictionary. There we go. We'll go there. We'll take this one. We found an Olympic. Woohoo! Oh! Oh my god! Did you see that? I'm gonna try and hide it for a second. Another amazing Olympic. And I went, ah! Just a bit. Oh, brilliant. Now, in a hunt where I've had so many bust bags, it is pretty cool to find one Olympic coin. An okay Olympic coin. You know, middle of the road Olympic coin. But it's amazing to find a second top tier, as Bungle would say, Olympic coin. Oh yes. Let's have a look. That is top tier, isn't it? I can't remember where that stands in the rankings of Olympics, but a wrestling. That is cool. That is superb, and it's in great condition. There's a little bit of scuffing at the top left there, but otherwise, yeah, it's like, what is it? So 2011. So it's 20. No, it's not 20. 11 years old. We're in 22, aren't we? 11 years old. 11 years old. Good. 2 Olympics. Yes. Fantastic. Come on, we can make 4, 5, 6. Beat a record of 7. That'd be cool. Alright, there we go. First diversity of this hunt. Pretty cool. Stick him on the ends. Another Roger Bannister. Again, I say, why do they all sort of magnetise to each other? Because I've seen a libraries in here as well. Where is she? I don't know why I think libraries are she's, but maybe the very last coin. Okay, a bit of a grotty. but very welcome libraries. Nice. Let's go libraries next to dictionaries. Alright, another bag. There we go. 2017 Peter Rabbit. Pretty cool, but not the coolest. I prefer my 16s, or I prefer an 18, or a 19, or a 2020. But yeah, nice find. Oh, Victoria Cross medals. Where did the Caraway Cat go? There, we put that above that. What else we got in this bag? Anything else? Shiny Shield, 19. There we go. Right, another bag. And then to finish that bag, we've got a People's Act. Says it right there on the front of the coin. 2018 People's Act. Let's put you there. Right, 3 more bags to go. Right, last bag. Can we find a 3rd Olympic? That'd be pretty cool. It's getting harder and harder to find them, I guess. Not that I find too many of them anyway. Well, I guess I do. I find my fair share, let's just say that. What was that? 2019 Shield. Britannia. 19 Shield and another 2012 Shield. There we go, all done for another video. Fantastic. Yeah, not much really to talk about, is there, apart from the 2 stunning Olympics. Like I say, one of my favourite Olympics is the volleyball. I love the starburst, the ball turning into the sort of starburst. I love that. It's a great idea from the designer. And wrestling. Pff, yeah, you can't say much more on that. Wrestling. Fantastic. An amazing condition as well. Right, that'll do me. Gonna film the next hunt straight away. Hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.